Hey guys, welcome to DV Adventures. Today we decided to order the cheapest drone we could find on the internet, which is £3 from Temu. Let's check it out. So here we are opening up the Our Life drone camera, which costs us just £3 from Temu as an introductory new members offer. It comes all inside this cool travel case, which is easy to store away. As you open up the travel case, everything is included. You get the instructions manual, which is in Chinese and in English. You also get safety nets for the wings, you get extra wings, and you get chargers, 2 batteries. Here's the drone itself, foldable drone, with 2 HD cameras. One is on the bottom for an aerial view, and the other is on the front. You also get a remote control, which is really easy to use with all the analog sticks. You get a space to store your phone underneath. Let's check out the footage. So this is the view from the HD camera on the front. I don't know about you, but I'm getting major horror movie camcorder vibes from this. It looks cool though. And then here you have the aerial view HD camera, which as you can see, it's a lot more clearer, better colours. So actually, none of us have ever flown drones before. It was a first time for all of us. We did crash it a fair few times. Luckily, it does have the safety plastic on the outside to protect the wings from snapping. As you can see, eventually we did get the hang of it. Tried to get the drone higher and higher whilst keeping in control. Unfortunately, it doesn't record sound though, which is why I'm talking over everything. As you can see in this clip, it is fairly clear from the HD aerial view camera. The wind does affect the stability slightly when it hits it. Then this is a view from the front HD camera. As you can see, it's slightly blurred in comparison to the aerial view camera. So far so good. The flying's good, the control's good, the camera's good. It's easy to use, but then the unthinkable happened. So we were trying to see how much height we could actually get onto the camera, so we were going higher and higher and higher. Higher and higher, we was like, keep going, push it as high as you can. Then all of a sudden, this massive gust of wind took the drone right into the forest behind, which is covered by bramble bushes. And just like that, it was over. We spent an hour looking for the drone, but unfortunately we could not find it anywhere. So as you just saw, unfortunately we crashed the drone. All that remains is this travel case with the former parts of what was a not bad drone for £3. Temu. If you fancy one, get over there, check it out. But yeah, RIP drone. See you in the next video.